Oh no! Aww.
Hello?
That's where we wanna be, just you and me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D.
Wow!
A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
5 minus 2
That's where we wanna be, just you and me. A, B, C, D.
equals 3. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 2 plus 1 equals 3.
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Hi guys! I noticed recently that you liked our video with makeup slime.
Holy cannoli, Sue! How could you forget to call me for the new video shooting? You know I'm the greatest slime master.
I was just about to call you. Do you remember our Oreo slime craft?
And
I need black glitter.
Incredible Slime Sam to the rescue!
So for this slime, we'll need an eye marker of a bright color. We'll use it to draw lots of dots like these. So easy. Just a couple of dots left and voila, the pattern is ready. And now we'll add this beautiful blue glitter. Blue out, pink next. Let's add some glamorous glitter, just like this. So the middle line is also ready. And where's Master Sam and his black glitter?
Sue, I didn't find the right glitter, but I have a great alternative for you.
Oh, this is even better, thank you! Time to add some more beauty to our slime. Silver really looks better with blue and pink. And for the final part, I have something very special. Pearly stardust. The more we add, the better looking slime we'll get.
Wow, Sue, this is so beautiful!
Just wait a little more, Sammy, because the best part is yet to come. Let's fold this pretty thing, and soon we'll see our awesome slime, like this. And the last part goes like this. You only need to mix it together. Wow, Sammy, look at this perfection! Oh, I am totally thrilled! And now comes my favorite balloon moment. Hop! Burst it! Sammy, what do you think about our first slime?
Sue, it was magical, but what did you prepare for the next slime?
You'll find out right now. For the next slime, we will need the ingredients from light pink to dark pink.
Let's start with dark pink.
Oh! Well, Mr. Conductor, I'll follow your lead and get to it. First, we need to crumble the eyeshadow like this. And empty the container. We do it really thoroughly to get as much glittery material as possible. Done and done! Now it's my favorite color's turn. I love this type of pink. Time to add lots of pink. Done. More and more. Here we get an awesome contrast. Enough of this pink dust. And now, these small containers look adorable. Let's open them. And add to the pink mass. Now it'll be super shiny. Okay, I'm done with the ingredients and finally getting to the best part, mixing it all together. What a pretty envelope. Ooh. So stretchy. I say this looks like a poopsie.
Guys, while Sue is away for a moment, I, as our main helper and master of slimeology, got everything ready for the next slime. Susan, we're ready to go!
Oh, Sammy, you deserve applause. Thank you. Now I will try to draw something like I already did with the first slime. Ta-da! And it's time to use the nail polish. The pattern will look pretty much like the sun. Let's draw its rays all over our future slime. The last one, and check it out. Here is another important ingredient, blue glittery eyeshadow. We only need to crumble it and add it to our slime. Oh, I can't wait to mix it all together. Now carefully pour it right there. This eyeshadow will make our slime super shiny. I wish I didn't have to break this perfection. The things I do for slime. And this will make the slime super bright blue. Mission complete. Wow, now it looks more like a candy. Let's fold it like this. The envelope looks transparent, but in a second, magic will happen. Twist and turn. Wow! Stretch! Wow, such a bright color!
Sue, I have a genius idea. Let's mix all our slimes together.
Sounds great. Hurry up and bring them here.
I'll be right back.
1 and 2 and Sammy!
Bam! Sue, here you go.
Oh, thanks, Sammy. Like this. Now let's put them all together and check out the result. It looks like a snake. So guys, we have just one slime left, and here we also cannot do without makeup. By the way, have you seen our previous makeup slime? Give a thumbs up if yes, and meanwhile, I'll apply the lip gloss to our slime. We need to move carefully here and draw several lines across the slime. I guess the lines look quite pale, but no worries, we'll fix it in no time.
Sue, do you really need these shiny stars?
Actually, I wanted to add them to our slime, but if you really need them...
Thanks.
I wonder what Sammy's up to. Very interesting. Okay, now let's add this glittery glitter. Like this. I'm convinced that there can't be too much glitter in the slime. It's time to cover our slime with my favorite confetti. Wow! It's going to look splendid in the end. Don't forget to add a different color. A little more, and we will get a very tasty color. And now comes my favorite moment, slime folding. Oh my goodness, it's just so pretty! Now we can play. love making slimes. Guys, comment below which of them you like the most.
My slime? Horseshoes.
Sammy, this is so beautiful. Now I understand why you needed the stars. Great job, Sammy. I love it. Sammy, I have to admit that you are a master of slimes and the winner of our competition. What do you think? Shall we mix both of our slimes together? Just imagine how awesome it'll look.
Whoa, cool idea, Sue. What are we waiting for?
Oh, let's hurry up. So, we finally mixed them together. I would totally call this a unicorn slime. What do you think, Sammy?
Looks nice, but my slime was much better. Guys, hurry up and share this video with your friends. They have to see all these slimes. And don't forget to give a thumbs up.
Bye-bye. See you soon.
What's better on a hot day than a lovely scoop of ice cream in a cone? I'll tell you, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe even 6 scoops of ice cream. It's time for some ice cream cone counting fun. This is a great counting game. Roll the die and then place the ice cream scoops on the cone. You will need card, lollipop sticks, pom-poms, a die and some pegs. First, decorate a triangle of card so it looks like an ice cream cone. I've used a pen to draw some crisscross lines. Stick the cone to 2 lollipop sticks. Like this. Using glue, stick each pom-pom to a wooden peg. I've made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ice cream scoops. Now we're ready to play the game. Roll the die and then place the right number of ice cream scoops on the cone. 1, 2, 3. I'm a winner. Mini makers, you know I'm always on trend with the latest fashions. Well, let me show you what all the cool creatures are wearing next season. Whoa, it's a totally awesome monster hat. You will need an old baseball cap, some fun foam shapes, and some googly eyes. First, take a strip of white fun foam and carefully cut out triangle shapes for teeth. Be careful, scissors are sharp. Also, cut out circles for the monster's spots and 2 ear shapes. Now take your baseball cap and start adding the teeth around the peak of the cap. Add the spots and the 2 ears. When everything is dry, finish off your monster hat with 3 terrifyingly terrific googly eyes. It's a monster of a make. Hats off to this idea. Psst, come here. Have you heard about this idea? You'll earn your stripes if you make it. That's right, it's time to get busy like a bee with this cardboard roll bee. This is a painted cardboard roll tube, wrapped in black stripes and finished with paper wings and antennae. For this, you'll need yellow paint, a small cardboard roll, glue, black paper, light blue paper, and googly eyes. First, paint a small cardboard tube yellow. Stick 2 long strips of black card around the bottom of the tube, and then 2 shorter pieces of card inside at the top. Fold a rectangle-shaped piece of blue paper in half. Then draw a circle with a small rectangle underneath. It looks a bit like a tree. Starting at the folded edge, cut it out. These are our wings. I've stuck the wings onto the back of our tube and drawn a smile. And now I'm going to stick on some googly eyes to finish. All done. It's a busy, buzzy bee.